my love, are you tired of your tomato stew? Well, come, let's make something different entirely. Inside the pot, I'm adding vegetable oil. Yeah, I will allow it to be a bit hot, then introduce sliced tomatoes and onion, after which I will just stir a bit and allow it to continue steaming. Then I'll return to the next ingredients I'll be using, which is egg. So this is actually 5 pieces of egg. I will have to unshell it and pour it inside an empty plate. Yeah, so let me seize this opportunity to thank everyone that deemed it fit to stop by. Thank you so much for coming by. Thank you for your likes, comments and shares. If you're watching from YouTube, thank you for your subscription. And if you're still contemplating to subscribe or not, please do well and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for everything. So at this point, I'm done. I have to whisk and whisk. Whisk. Guys, after trying this recipe, I tell you, if you are the type that can't finish a plate of rice, you will finish 3 plates because the taste is something else. Yeah, as you are eating, to be telling you, eat more. So I will whisk. Yeah, I think I'm done. I will set aside and let's check on the stew. So this is it. So at this point, I will stir at intervals. So I will allow it to continue steaming, then come back to check if it is good to go, so I won't have a sour sauce. Okay, so at this point we are good to go. Our, as you can see, is looking very okay. So we'll get the next ingredients ready. So I have this thing I want to add, the protein for the day, fish. Yeah, so it is actually iced fish. Then I'll be adding another protein, which is the egg. Yeah, so I'll add the egg, then I will allow it to cook, then add the next, which is fresh pepper. Actually blended it already, so this is the fresh pepper. Then I will allow it to cook, add salt for taste, add a cube of seasoning, then cover and allow it to cook. Yeah, I'll come back after some minutes to check on it, and as you can see, it's already boil. So I was there. So my brothers and sisters, my beautiful people, so what would we be dissecting this sauce with? If you can use rice, you can use yam, you can even take it like that. Don't mind me. So at this point, we are good to go. I'll be taking mine with white rice. So every of my subscribers, my followers, everyone that's always come by to watch my videos, you see this rice, I'm dishing it for you. Start coming over because we are going to be dissecting it together. Thank you for your audience. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your shares, likes and comments. Love you.